Okay, so this was a removal only job. It was based on removing frost film from existing windows. We had based the job off of removing frost film from 8-10 large windows. When we got on site, Arturo found that part of the windows were frost film, the other one was a painted on material. The frost film, especially on larger windows, we usually take off in sections. So he'll pull the film off the top layer, kind of spray the window down to let the water soak into the adhesive a little bit, pull and scrape whatever else he can off, sprays the window down, then goes over it with the scraper blade to get all of the adhesive and any additional residue that may be on the window off the window. He'll spray everything down again, clean the window, wipe it so, you know, brand new, clean, clear window like there was never any frost on it to begin with. For the painted on material, that was more of a, more of a brute strength thing. We're just scraping it off. You have to get in there close to the edges, so he's taking the edge of the scraper blade or his knife and just will go right around the edges to make sure we're cleared up around the gaskets without damaging the gaskets. Once the windows are, the material is cleaned off for the most part, we go back over them, spray them down and clean them like always, and then also, clean the floors and all of the debris and leave the space like we were never there.